I think the Noyce School is coming online at the perfect time.
The prevalence of things like quantum computing,
artificial intelligence is becoming bigger and bigger.
A lot more autonomous systems.
Increasing demand for a workforce around the semiconductor industry.
Privacy and security, how do we protect the data that people use?
One thing that's constant in the field of computing is that it's constantly changing, right? The field of computing today looks very different from the field that Robert Noyce started so many years ago. Robert Noyce was recognized as the creator of the first monolithic integrated circuit. That's really the basis on which all modern microchips are based. He founded Fairchild Semiconductor and then later on went on to found Intel, which certainly is one of the world's largest chip production companies today. Anne was a graduate of Cornell. Later on, after marrying Robert, she moved to Apple, where she was the first vice president for human resources for Apple and really undersaw a lot of their tremendous growth during Apple's early stages.
What an incredible legacy that the two of them have left to enable Cal Poly to be one of the torchbearers for the Noyce name. Cal Poly is among elite company in terms of the educational institutions that the Noyce Trust is supporting. We are the only Cal State.
The Noyce School for Applied Computing is a school underneath the College of Engineering, and it encompasses right now 3 of our departments: electrical engineering, computer science and software engineering, and computer engineering. And then outside the College of Engineering, we also affiliate with the statistics department.
The goal of the school is to support faculty and student research and professional development, innovative and collaborative curriculum design.
We're going to be able to use the funds to upgrade laboratories, to provide scholarships for students.
This is the first year that we've been fully operational with a director and a budget. And so I do think there's still a bit of community building that's happening and recognition that's slowly occurring here on campus with our students, but that momentum is building.
The reason I'm so excited just means more opportunity for growth, more opportunity for learning, and just like a bigger focus on this field that I found so interesting.
Students can get more hands-on cutting-edge research with professors because of Noyce.
We're currently renovating some classrooms that will be available to Noyce faculty and Noyce students, designing those spaces in such a way that collaboration, learn by doing, and application are a fundamental component.
Learn by doing, it forces me to be a more competent student, to not be afraid of challenges.
Learning how to be comfortable being super uncomfortable, learning how to navigate resources online.
One of the things that my time at Cal Poly has taught me is that I can face a problem that I've never seen before.
I've had 2 courses where the professors end with pretty open-ended projects where I've now spent 5 weeks learning a topic and then I get to apply it to an area I'm interested in.
I took, an intro to robotics class, and it was extremely important because I was able to learn how to actually put a robot together. We made line-following robots, and that was something that we started working on day 1.
What makes the Noyce School for Applied Computing special is going to be the community that it creates.
I think my favorite thing about Cal Poly has been the other students I get to work with. Everyone wants to help everyone succeed.
We see a lot of really exciting things happening at the intersection of these disciplines, and we want to continue to support those areas because that's where I think a lot of Cal Poly's innovation can come from.
The sky's the limit, right? You can go anywhere, and as long as you have the knowledge and kind of the drive and the passion to pursue something, you can kind of make it happen.
I know that they have set me up for success, in that these experiences have shaped me to become a better person.
I want to be a role model for women in engineering.
Our students are going out into the leading edge industrial companies. They're going to change the world, and the education that we're going to provide here in the Noyce School is going to help them do that.
I am very fortunate to be part of this new school. Thank you to all the donors and all the people who are believing in education, who are believing in the future, and who are believing in engineering.